Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Dollartub on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up your Player App Store, click on search, and then search for Dollartub like so, and then hit enter. So now, if you're like me and you can't see the download button inside your Player App Store, this could be due to a few different reasons. So basically, Dollartub may not appear because apps that promises rewards for watching videos or completing simple tasks often violate these store policies around misleading earnings, spam spile referrals, or unclear payout systems. Now, if an app like Dollartub receives many complaints, it's flagged for suspicious behavior or fails to meet security and transparency standards. The stores can reject or remove it. In some cases, the developers also choose not to publish it in official stores at all and instead distribute the app through websites or APK files, which you need to go ahead and download an APK file to install it if you can't find it on your Player App Store. Now, this basically helps them avoid strict store reviews, but makes the app less visible and less trusted, basically. So what we need to do is just go back, open up a web browser, and just simply type in $tub APK. And now we can go ahead and even download it from the official site here. So you can go ahead and click into Dollartub from dollartub.com, and then scroll all the way down the bottom of this page, and it's going to give you where you can download it. So you can download it on the App Store or Google Play. Now, once you click on it, it's going to say please log in to download the app. So you need to log into dollartub.com to go ahead and get it on either your Google Play or App Store.